truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seats are pretty light, which is how I was able to get these up here without much trouble. This other one down. So here they are. Really stoked. He really gave me a good deal on them. They've been sitting for a minute, so this one would need a little bit of a, I need to clean it up just in a sec. I think it's the only one he used. And this one pretty much is untouched. It's literally like brand new. Everything's still nice, and it's still under the covered, like it was still covered. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some leather conditioner on this, and then once that's done, I'm gonna unbolt the stock seat. He did give me the side mounts, and I have an idea for them. They don't make Clk brackets for these at all for this car, so it was either gonna be custom, or I was looking at it more closely, and it looks like I can't really see. I'll get the seat out first so y'all can see, but there's basically bolts on the track itself, and like a plate. So I have a feeling if I unbolt the seat, unbolt the actual seat from the tracking mechanism, I'll be able to bolt the side mounts and the seat onto this. So I'm gonna start with the passenger first in case it doesn't work out, because I don't want to keep, you know, swapping seats and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the passenger side first and go from there. So let's get to it. All we're trying to do is remove this cover, and then the front, there's the front two are Torx, e-Torx. And I'm about to find out what the rears are. Probably, e-Torx again. I'm really interested to see how heavy the seat is. I bet it's stupid heavy. I would say probably at least 50 pounds, my guess. And the ones I'm replacing with are like, I don't know, 17, 15. They're super light. I can easily, without the side mounts, you can easily lift them with, like, you know, one arm and stuff. Scratching my car. We gotta get the seat out, so just give it another go. First, that looks like some chicken skin. That's disgusting. Probably not degrade whatsoever. Check this one out. $19.99. Now I'm not sure if that means this was from 1999. Golly. Tip: pay down high interest rate debt first. 2015. What was that? What were y'all doing in 2015 on November the 4th at 6 p.m. roughly? Disgusting. Another wrapper over here. I'm gonna vacuum this up, obviously. I don't have the side mounts for this seat yet. I just wanted the seat out just so I can see if if my theory is true. We're about to check it out here in just a second. So after I throw this away. That's disgusting. Maybe that's just when pizza was invented. Not invented. When they first started. I don't know. So you can see what I'm talking about. We got the 13 mils here. More 13 mils over there. I think if we can just find a way to undo the seat, but leave everything else on, we should be okay. I mean, how cool would that be? A power bucket seat. Alright, I'm gonna just start undoing stuff where I see fit and see where I end up at. So as expected, when you don't have this gear in, it, you know, obviously moves this around. But with the motor locked in place, I was thinking of cutting this right here and cutting this right, well, maybe not there, maybe a little bit backwards, maybe like around here and then there, and then we could bolt this back up. This would all be out of the way, and this would all be gone, and I can put the seat on and still have the functions of it moving back and forth, assuming I can figure out the pin out. Not really pin out, but this can't be that difficult. So let's keep chugging. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. Holy shit. Dude. Wow. This looks so much better. Alright, I'm getting too excited. Let me see if I can still get these seats in. So I came back with a light. I don't know if y'all can really see, but underneath I was able to plug in the seat belt plugs. I guess it's for the light, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's for the light, and also if the car senses a crash, it'll tighten up that cable on the seat belt. So there's that, and then I also have the one power plug for the motor plugged in into the seat ECU. Basically dissected the seat ECU. I mean, I didn't really dissect it, I just took it apart. I guess that is dissecting. So now all I'm going to try to do is bolt up the front two bolts, because I can't get to the back ones. Put power to it, and see if I'm able to push the seat forward. If I'm able to push the seat forward with the button, I am going to be so stoked. Because then I would have made powered adjustable bucket seats, and they're not even that, I mean, they're not even heavy at all. The power adjustment, the metal frame at the bottom, really what the heaviest part was the actual seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down now. In fact, I'm doing it while I'm talking. And once these are tight, I'm gonna hook up power to the battery, and I'll let you guys know if it works out or not. Fingers crossed. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. Wow. Keep going. Dude. I am so stoked on that. That is like the coolest thing ever. The only thing now is though, for some reason the back, this was the problem before I swapped it, before I changed out the seats. For some reason the back switch pushes it forward. I usually just press the memory button and it goes backwards, but I'm afraid of doing that in case it might activate the other motors and it might get confused. But now I think about it, it shouldn't, because this thing is annoying. It shouldn't because I mean, those motors aren't even there, it's not even hooked up, so it should just move. Oh, what I think it should move. Yep. Oh, dude. Holy shit. Ah, oh, this is so cool. Have y'all ever seen, I mean, I'm sure y'all have seen a powered bucket seat before, but oh, okay, I gotta sit inside of it. Oh, that's a little more difficult to get in. Oh. Oh my god, that is so cool. I am so stoked that worked. Jesus, they don't make seat mounts for this car. And I feel, oh, it feels so good. Like I'm at like a perfect driving position. My only complaint, and it's not even really a complaint, it's sort of just me, I'm not like, you know, like I would like for the seats to be mounted a little bit higher, but this is as high as it goes, so there's not really much I could do there. But this is so cool. And it looks so good in here too. Oh man, I am so stoked. I can't wait to get the other side in. I need to buy a steering wheel like ASAP, because once I get the steering wheel here and a cool looking shifter, dude. Let me get out so y'all can see the actual final product. That's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And can't wait to keep chugging away at the interior. That's like, I'm liking how it looks so far. I love just sitting in here, and this seat is actually pretty comfy. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time. Peace. Stay safe.